2022 RAM 2500. We're going to change out the headlight to be LED bulb. This is very easy to come. So first thing you're going to do is remove these two top bolts. Those are Phillips. Just take that out. So once you have it out, there's another one on the bottom side of the headlight. So we're going to remove this top trim that just comes off like that. And snap out the bottom piece. Again, that just comes out. There's a clip right here. Be careful. There are two clips. They're locked in here. Just pop that out. Now you can access the bolt holding onto the headlights. So there's one down here, another one here, another one here. Those are 10 mils, right? So remove the 10 mils. All three of them. So once you have those three bolts out, and headlight should just pull out and disconnect the main harness. There's a little locking tab here, and release that, and there's how it comes out. That one is missing a cover, and this, you reach inside. There is a little locking tab here. Push inward, and the headlight comes out. So this is what you're pushing to release the tab. So that locks in here. Straight down, then you push that lever downward and pull out the headlight bulb. It's the H7. Alright, to put the bulb back in place, this bulb has to go in, and that little notch has to stay under this silver part, because if you try to put this plug on first and try to put the bulb in, you're going to have a pretty difficulty trying to line that up. So put the bulb down first, make sure it's under that little silver trim here. The bulb is sit under part of that silver trim. Then you line up this thing this way. There is a little groove here. There's one on each side. That actually sits right under my fingernail here. There's one on this side, another one that side. That slides through the groove here and here. And be sure to put this one downward like this. And you go straight down like that. You push it down. Now the plug is onto the bulb, and this one is basically just sitting there. To take it out, you lift this one up, push inward, and entire bulb and the plug comes out together as one piece.